this is an excavator and there's power functions to it. A battery box here.
Let me see the battery box. Okay, yeah.
There are batteries in it. And here's the switch.
Uh-huh.
The motor's somewhere here.
Uh-huh.
You can actually see it here.
Okay. Matt, also look in the camera when you're talking.
And here are the lights.
Okay. So why don't you show us how it works?
So there's a switch for the battery box, and you switch it to the side. Then it turns on.
And then you see the green light, right?
Yeah.
Do you see it?
Yes. But if you turn it to the middle, then it's off. So
there's the green light, okay, yeah.
So now I turn it to the green light, and this way, now the lights are on because I have turned on the switch. And if I move this one, this will close.
Yeah, closes.
And if I move this one, it will open. And if I do it for this one moves down. Oopsie. This one moves down. Moving down. And it can move down really far. And if you move it down too far, watch what happens.
Oh, he lifts on the front.
Yeah. So now let's try this one. Oopsie. And now this moves up. I can move pretty high. If you want to do this one, go really high.
Oh yeah. I guess that's the highest. Can you do anything else or that's it?
This can turn.
Yeah.
But it doesn't want you to turn too much. So you can only turn to here. And if you turn the other side, you can turn more.
Oh yeah.
But you still have to stop.
That's it?
Yes.
Okay. Then say bye-bye to Uncle Georg.
Bye.